Hi there, Joanne from Coast to Coast with Joanne. December in San Juan del Sur has its own rhythm. There is a quiet, almost imperceptible shift until you start walking the bay at daybreak every day. That's when you notice that the bay comes alive. The fishermen arrive first. Some days just a few, some days more. And this year, it seems to be more than I remember in years past. Some approach from the sea. Their small boats drifting just beyond the line where the waves gather their strength. They move almost respectfully, tracing the edge of the surf as though following an invisible path the ocean has laid out for them. Back and forth, searching. Closer to shore, men stand knee to waist deep in the cool water, casting rods, some with the simplest of tools, a line, a hook, a small piece of board, and sardines for bait, la carnada. Some use a señuelo, a lure shaped like a sardine, gleaming just enough to fool a passing fish. They wind their lines back with practiced hands, patient and unhurried, and still somehow they catch more than you'd ever expect from something so humble. The fish they are pulling from the water are called jurel. They're here not because it's December, but because the water has turned colder. The colder water that lays beyond the bay, farther offshore. Larger visitors, such as whales and sharks, have returned for the season. They move through the deep, sending the smaller fish rushing towards the perceived safety of the bay. And waiting for them, the wise fishermen. Above it all, the sky has its own fishermen. Pelicans, great gray silhouettes, circle 30 meters above the water, graceful, almost meditative, until the very moment they strike. Wings tighten, bodies streamline, and in a single perfect plunge, whoosh, they disappear into the sea. Every dive feels like a small miracle. Along the shore, smaller birds, egrets, herons, terns, and sanderlings work with a quieter type of determination. They pick at minnows and small crabs, their reflections trembling in the wet sand. Delicate, beautiful things like ornaments that the tide forgot to carry away. And then there are the seagulls, the everyday chorus of the beach. This morning, as I walked toward a flock of seagulls resting in the sand, they lifted all at once, their wings catching the morning light, and for a moment, it felt like standing inside a snow globe that had suddenly stirred to life. All of this, the boats, the birds, the fishermen, tell a story about the cold waters of the season. A story about abundance, about rhythm, about the quiet choreography that unfolds when the ocean decides to offer her gifts. Here in these early hours, the bay feels like it's breathing, like it's waking up with purpose, like December is its own season of gathering. For humans, for birds, for everything that calls this shoreline home. This December, I feel just a little bit more in love with San Juan Bay. And if you haven't yet fallen in love with San Juan Bay, I wish that for you too. A big thank you to my neighbors and to the morning fishermen who shared their knowledge with me. Without that, I would not have been able to make this video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.